Chef Sarah Glover here, and we are in the land down under in beautiful sunny Byron Bay, and I'm going to teach you one of those recipes that is going to be a go-to for you on your next camping or outdoor adventure or backyard barbecue. And I want to teach you about flank steak. This is Shimo's Wagyu flank steak. I highly recommend grabbing some of their meat. It is outstanding and the flavor is second to none. The idea with a flank steak is it's a really quick cook, which makes it perfect for a backyard barbecue. I've heated up my gosney. Now you can do this on a kettle grill, you can use a Weber, it's really up to you. The idea is a quick cook time. So smoke and hot frying pan, I've seasoned my Wagyu with some sea salt and I've thrown it into that smoking hot pan, and as you can see, all of the fat is starting to render down and it's going to give you that beautiful caramelization, and fat means flavor, and that is what Shimo does so well. Look at that glistening color. Once your steak has cooked through, so we're looking about 8 minutes on one side and 5 on the other, my gosney is cranking hot. It's around 350 Celsius to 400. You're going to pull that pan out. You're going to let your meat rest while you make your peppercorn sauce. Now, if you're wondering why my pan is on fire, that is because I have got some beautiful whiskey in the bottom of it that we've heated up. And the whiskey is flambeing, so it means to flame. So we're burning off the alcohol that is in the whiskey itself, and what we're left with is flavor. And we're going for a beautiful whiskey, creamy peppercorn sauce. So while that's reducing down, I'm going to get some cream and I'm going to pop some in my whiskey with the peppercorn and some black pepper. And what we're looking for is for it to reduce down. It really should only take about 5 to 10 minutes for this to cook, particularly at this heat. And while it's cooking, you can slice up your Wagyu flank steak, season it, throw your peppercorn on. This is a crowd favorite and it's perfect for eating with your hands around the back of the truck. I've served it with a great grape salad and also my smoky potato salad. I'll leave you the recipes below. Happy cooking, guys! And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.